Well, welcome everybody to Blogging for Profit. My name is Chris During. I'll be your presenter today. Today, as you can see, we're going to be looking at YouTube a little bit, and also hopefully we'll have a little bit of time to get into one of our first affiliate networks. We'll be looking at Linkshare, hopefully finding a few things there. So today, what I've wanted to do is to go in here to our previous blog post that we set up and actually take some of these things that we've created and fill them in. So as you can see, our first video here was Jimi Hendrix All Along the Watchtower. So I've pulled that up as a search. This is the results I've got. I'm going to go ahead and use this video here as our example. And so I'm going to click on the title here, pause it before it starts making a lot of noise. And then from here, down here at the bottom, you can see there's some options to share. So I'm going to click on that. And then let's pull up Blogger so I can show you something on that. So on the blog, it says insert video. Here's what I typed in. I'm going to highlight that. And up at the top here in our little toolbar, there's a little thing to insert a video. I click on that. And it says I should drag my video here or upload from YouTube. So from there, I can just type in the YouTube search, actually right here on Blogger, which is kind of nice. I didn't know they actually did that. It's been a little while since I've loaded a video apparently, and this is a new thing. So let's try it out. All Along the Watchtower. Jimi Hendrix. And it's going to generate some results for us, hopefully. Let's see if we can find that same one. Well, didn't give us the same ones. That's okay. So we would just I would just go ahead and use, oh, wait a minute, is this one it? Yeah, let's use that one instead. So I would click on that and I would say select, and then bang, it's added right there to our page, and we can delete that. And then we'll go down and look at the next one, which was Johnny Cash Hurt. So I can go up here to the video and. Well, all right. Well, enjoy the rest of the week. I'll see you tonight. Like that. Do the search, and there's the video. And there it is. Good. So that is working really nicely. I like that quite a bit. It looks like it's going to be real helpful for us. So again, we'll go in here, Jeff Buckley, Hallelujah. Let's see. If I can remember how to spell hallelujah. I don't think I got it right there. Maybe it brings it up. Anyway, yeah, okay, good. So pick one of those. Let's do that one. Actually, that's kind of a longer version. Let's do this one. All right, good. We get that in there. Perfect. Joel Cocker, a little help. Let's do that one. Oops. And I clicked the wrong thing there. Give us a page break. Well, that's all right. Let's do this. And it was Joe Cocker with a little help from my friends. Let's do that one. Perfect. Delete that. Nirvana, the man who sold the world. Anyway, so you guys can kind of see. Well, let's go ahead and finish them up. I want to go ahead and make sure we've got them all in there. Oops. All right, yeah, let's do that one. And Beatles, Twist and Shout. Let's do that one. White Stripes, Jolene. Oops. Don't think I highlighted the spot where I wanted it. There we go. White Stripes, Jolene.
Hi, Connie.
Let's do that one.
Good. You ready for a meeting? Okay, good.
Nirvana, Where Did You Sleep Last Night?
Oh, no. Well, we started our first meeting at 2 o'clock. And then last week we did 2 o'clock again.
Okay.
I had a schedule
That is what we do there. Now let's try it again. There we go. That's better.
Okay. Well, let's do it then.
Okay. Guns N' Roses.
So follow up with me. Good. What's the increase happening?
Okay, and one more here. Muse feeling good. Okay, perfect. So that gets all of those in there. You can kind of see how that kind of breaks things up, makes it, just gives it a little bit easier feel and a little bit more interaction when we add those videos and so forth. From there, I wanted to show you link share. So this is the link share network, and just open this account here so we could kind of see if there was anything that we could find. So under, let's see, programs, I can go into categories here. And categories has a bunch of different things. Let's see, and under entertainment here, we've got music, so we'll click on music. And that will open up and give us a bunch of different options that we can look for. Maybe tickets might not be a bad idea, putting some ticket options on there, or CD Universe might be another good one. Ticket Liquidator looks like it's already approved for us. Okay, yeah. So let's actually go to CD Universe and open that up. I'm going to show you how this works. So this kind of tells me a little bit about how their affiliate program works. We get an 8% commission on all products, excluding gift cards. A 30-day cookie session, meaning if someone goes into our blog post here and clicks on a link, they track that customer for 30 days. If they make a purchase any time within those 30 days after having clicked, then we would still earn that commission. So a 30-day cookie is actually a really good thing for us. They don't have to make the purchase that exact time. They do have an affiliate newsletter that they'll send out occasionally. They do frequently updated creatives. Creatives are the links that we'll be looking at here. They're imagery and things that we can use. They do have product feeds available upon request, and they've got a dedicated affiliate marketing team, so we can contact them at their partners at cduniverse.com if we had questions or needed help. So this looks like a pretty good thing. We can go into here to offers and see what they've got here for us. So some interesting information there, some exclusive offers that they've offered to us specifically. Links give us a variety of links that we can use on our site, and once that opens up here, I'll kind of show you those. So you can get a text link, which is just basically exactly what it sounds like. We'll pull these up and show you. So this is what it looks like essentially. Album top sellers, MP3 top selling songs, movie top sellers, so forth. So I could send that or use that information here by clicking on get link. That's not ideal. That's obviously not exactly what we're looking for. So we can go back here to links, and they've also got product links and banner images. Let's go to the product links and see if they have something. Let's do a search for Jimi Hendrix. Oops. So they've got some Jimi Hendrix albums that I could just use those to sell that. Kind of interesting right there. I'm not positive which particular album that particular song that we're mentioning is on. Does anybody happen to know that information? Anybody out there a big Jimi Hendrix fan and knows which album would be best to use? I'm not seeing anything. I'm going to go ahead and just use the Live at Woodstock album here then. Let's show you how to do that. So we'll get link, and it's going to bring up this information here. This is exactly what the link looks like. Let's say a Live at Woodstock DVD. I'm going to just copy this code. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go back to the blog post, and I'm going to do something here that may seem a little bit strange. I'm going to do, just a string of capital Qs. before and after. And the reason I'm doing that is I want to know where to put the information, and I'm going to change it over here to something that's going to look a little bit strange for us. So when I do that, we won't see anything. So you can kind of see this is the HTML of what we did, and so there's our string of capital Qs that we put in. Let's see where the other one is. Oh, there's the first one. Okay, there's the first one, and there's the second one, and there's our YouTube video. So I would want then to probably go in right here and put that code that we just copied, just like that, and then switch back to compose. And as I scroll down here, you'll see there's our album network. Delete that, and then I can say something like this. Click here to purchase. And now, if someone was to click on that, it would take them over to CD Universe, where they can make a purchase and buy this DVD. In which case, we would earn a commission. So we could go through that for the whole all of these different things, right? The other thing then I wanted to kind of do is take, and hopefully we can do this that day. Let's see. Let's update that first and make sure that's good. And let's go to, oh, well, while we're here, let me tell you, something that I really like to do is I like to try and kind of stay in touch with what's happening, because if we can do timely things on our blog, those will help draw interest. So, for example, Disneyland this last week celebrated their 60th anniversary. And so I thought it would be kind of fun to put together a post on the top Disney cover songs of all time. Still in the middle of writing that, so I haven't finished it. But just so you guys understand, that's always something that you can do. Just stay on top of things and keep your nose to the grindstone as far as what's happening around you, and use those things to create your content. That'll really help get people that are interested, because that was a huge thing that happened for Disneyland. A lot of people out there looking for Disneyland's 60th anniversary, and my post will of course mention that. So if someone is searching, they find this list of songs, and maybe we make some sales on something like that. So kind of keep in tune with those types of things. If there's something you can tie back to with what you're talking about on your blog, then come up and write a post, right? But I want to go to pages here, and I'll create a new page. I want to call this page Jimi Hendrix, and let's just publish that page. And let's go to options here, and okay, no, that's all good. Go to preview. Okay, obviously nothing on it, so it doesn't really matter, but actually, no, let's see. That's not what I'm wanting to do. Go out of this. All right, so let's go to view blog here, and No. All right, let's go back here to pages and Jimi Hendrix, and let's view that page. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. Now I get my URL for that page. I'm going to copy that. Okay. Oops. And let me make sure I got it. Okay, I did. Then I'm going to go back to my previous post. And we'll edit that again. And here's where we can take these and we can make a link to our own specific page. So I can send it right here to that. Now, if it didn't already have a link built in, I could highlight it, and then just up here at the top, I would click link, and I would get this same box. So I would click in, the text I want, where it should go, and so forth. Okay, we're just going to cancel that one. But in the future, that's what we would do then for all of these. We would create the page, and obviously, it'd be best if we had some good information on the page, but that's okay. Let's update, and we'll go to view blog, and let's look at Jimi Hendrix. So if I click on Jimi Hendrix, it takes me right to Jimi Hendrix page, of course, where I would have kind of a bio and maybe some of his videos, some of the music we could buy from Jimi Hendrix, things like that, and just fill in this information. We would do that for each and every different person on there, and we could create those different pages. So that's kind of what we'll be doing here over the course of the next few weeks. So let me go ahead then and open up to any questions. What questions have you guys got for me as far as what we've talked about today?